Grüß Gott, hello, guten Tag, and sunny greetings out of Fort Lauderdale. Annett here, and today I want to show you where you can and how you can find out if you have already a business manager account or you don't. So above, below, or wherever you watch this video, look out for business.facebook.com, and that's where you can check if you have already your business ads manager account set up, or if you are still running it over your personal page, or even don't have one. So when you follow that link and you are signed into Facebook, if you do have already a business ads manager account, so it will bring you right into your ads manager and you are good to go. If you don't, but you have a personal ads manager account, you will see that Facebook restricted you already on a few advertising campaigns if you imported third-party data. So you cannot do that any longer. You need permission and need to do it over your business manager account. So, and Facebook will most likely ask you if you want to set up or if you want to transfer your account into a business manager account. And if you never set up an account, Facebook now wants or will ask you if you want to set one up, and watch out that you are setting up your business manager account. So go over the link business.facebook.com and sign up for your account. So follow the steps. It's easy and it's good to go. And I would highly recommend you do have a business manager's account, because as I stated before, it is very, very important, especially when you want to have third parties application on there. As I said earlier, certain campaigns you cannot run anymore through your private account, because when you import third-party data, you cannot use them any longer. But also if you want to run advertising to Facebook Messenger or want to import data like Zapier and attach third-party applications. So I hope that helped. Check it out. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Dankeschön and auf Wiedersehen.